Based on the information and tip discussed in my previous video, here is a simple yet effective lip balm recipe you can try at home. The recipe will yield approximately 100 grams of lip balm, ideal for personal use or sharing with friends and family. Ingredients: beeswax 20 grams provides structure and stability. Coconut oil 25 grams adds moisture and has a pleasant scent. Shea butter 20 grams for a creamy texture and extra nourishment. Almond oil 30 grams rich in vitamin E moisturizer. Vitamin E oil 2 grams acts as an antioxidant and natural preservative. Peppermint essential oil 1 gram for a refreshing feel and scent. Beetroot powder or alkanet root powder optional for color 1 gram. Cinnamon oil optional for plumping effect 0.5 gram. Ensure it's diluted and lip safe. In a double boiler, gently melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter together. Stir the mixture continuously to ensure that it melts evenly without overheating. Once the base oil is melted and combined, remove it from the heat and stir in the almond oil and vitamin E oil. These oils will add extra nourishment and antioxidant properties to your lip balm. If desired, stir in this peppermint essential oil for a refreshing scent and feel. If you want to add a hint of color, now is the time to add your beetroot powder or alkanet root powder. Ensure it's mixed well to avoid clumps. If you're using cinnamon oil for a plumping effect, add it now. Remember, a little goes a long way. And it's essential to ensure the cinnamon oil is suitable for lip use and properly diluted. Carefully pour the mixture into lip balm tubes or small containers. Allow it to cool and set completely. This may take a few hours. Avoid moving the container too much until the balm is solid. Once the lip balm are set, label them, especially if you've made different varieties with colors, cinnamon oil, etc. Store them in a cool, dry place. Remember, creating DIY beauty products like lip balm can be a fun and rewarding process. Feel free to tweak the recipe according to your preferences and needs. And if you're looking for more such exciting DIY recipe or want to dive deeper into the world of cosmetic formulation, check out stablecosmeticformulas.com for more detailed resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome beauty formulations and tips. Happy DIY!